Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Retta Styles. I am here for another quick tutorial, but today we're gonna touch bases on some knotless box braids, okay? I'll kind of slow down, show you guys how I feed the hair in. Real cute, real quick tutorial. Y'all already know the drill. I don't like to talk too much because I just like to work. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment on my video, let me know how you guys like it. And you can also catch the rest of my work on my Instagram at RettaStyleMe_. I will have that right here. So yeah, let's get into this video because these knotless finna be hot. You hear me? Hey, hey, hey. So right here you are seeing me add my little jam to it. Before I start to feed in the knotless braid, I like to section the parts off in 3 sections, and then like a regular plait, and then I start to feed in the hair one at a time, just feeding it in all the way until my client's desired size and length. And on this next clip here soon, you guys will see an up close of me feeding it in, okay? So y'all, I am a really quick, fast braider, but I always make sure that I tuck my client's natural hair inside the braid, because who wants hair peeping out after 3 days? So just make sure you take your time when you're braiding. And I also added some hair to the end of the braid to make it longer, because these will be medium butt length knotless box braids, okay? Check how they looking so far. Real cute, natural, close to their scalp. It is painless, y'all, less tension. This is like the best protective style in the world. So this here is a close-up, y'all. I know the cameraing is bad, but just pay close attention. I'm plaiting it like I would start off a regular plait, and then I come in with my hair and I'm feeding it in and braiding it on down as I would a normal plait. After each one, I just go around, add the extra hair, feed it in, and I repeat that same step. And I'm gonna also have another clip, y'all, that's gonna be a little bit closer so y'all can see how I divide her hair into the 3 sections before feeding in the braids. Okay, so y'all see how neat that braid is, how tight that is on the scalp? Man, it's a technique, but I promise it's easy. Just take your time, braid that girl hair in there and tuck that hair in, and baby, look, flawless. So I'm gonna let y'all keep watching, okay? Here comes another close-up, so y'all pay attention here. So that's how I divided the hair up, y'all. I am right-handed, so on the video it look like I'm left-handed, but I'm right-handed. But just divide it in 3 ways that's comfortable for you to start your plait, and just start feeding that weave in, baby, because I promise it's gonna be beautiful. Y'all, this is just so beautiful. I just love doing braids. I am now getting to the top of her head, y'all. So yeah, this is gonna be fire when I'm done. I just love doing these. I just had to talk. Okay, y'all, keep watching. I know y'all checking their food out on the TV from Olive Garden, baby. It just made me so hungry. Oh my God. Stop it. At this point, it's the art for me. It's the art for me. Y'all gotta know the key to some beautiful braids is to braid it all the way to the tip, baby. Braid it to the tip. I promise. I promise that's the key. Woo, y'all, we is down to the last braid, okay? It didn't take me too long. You know, this style takes about 4 to 6 hours, just depending. But yeah, we on this last braid, y'all. Finna see the ending product, and it's gonna be so fire. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. And hit that subscribe button, y'all, if y'all haven't. For real. Y'all, look at my client. She just so cute. We ain't even did the edges or none yet. Look how far them braids look. Y'all, it's the art in the braids for me. Okay? Now let's get into this last finishing touches y'all finna see here. And y'all got to know to oil y'all client's scalp, okay? Don't leave your client leaving out dry. But see, here I'm doing her edges, laying them baby hairs down, baby. Finna mousse her up, sit on the dryer, and bow. Shit's gonna be done like that. Stay tuned. Look how neat them braids is, y'all. I set my client in the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it dry up and do what it needs to do. That's what it's looking like, okay? Very neat, very full. And I did dip her ends in some hot water. And check it out. My girl is done. She slayed, okay? Wherever she going, she gonna be bad. Yes, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all soon. Peace out.